Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean from Southeast Visuals, and I'm in my office, and it is currently 10 o'clock at night on August 9th. The video you guys just looked at was shot on August 6th, so not too far off. I did try to do a vlog while I was out there. However, I forgot to take off a lens, and it made my video like oversaturated, and I can't really fix it in post. However, in my office, finally everything's set up. Still a bit of a mess trying to set up some stuff for some more content coming up. I do, however, have my computer fully set up, so should be able to make some more videos coming up soon. Stay tuned. August 20th, we have the first ever Cooney Cup. So I have a bunch of American drivers and maybe even some Japanese ones from the local air station here. They're going to do in their first competition. They're going to have a newbie route, some more experienced drivers, and even some tandem. And a 13-year-old kid is just ripping up the track. So if you saw him in that last video, he's driving that 350Z. So stay tuned for more.